Baba's cabin. During another period of seclusion work in 1935, Baba asked Padri to build a cabin for him on the hill. It had to be easily accessible to both the women's ashram and the men mandali. The women's ashram was strictly sequestered from the outside world. So Baba chose this site east of the crypt platform just outside the ashram compound gate. Baba wanted something that would stand up to the severe weather and be insect proof. So he gave Padri permission to take his time and build a solid stone structure. However, Baba was anxious to begin his seclusion work there and repeatedly shortened the time for completion. By the time the foundation was being completed with stones salvaged from the post office, Baba said that the cabin should be ready in 1 week. So Padri and others worked intensively and constructed the cabin using teak wood with sheet metal siding. On the evening of July 15, 1935, Baba went into seclusion in the cabin. While Baba was in seclusion, one of the women mandali, Valu, would bring Baba food and tea that had been prepared by Mehera. It was strictly forbidden to look inside any place Baba was doing his seclusion work. However, one day Valu brought Baba's tray of food at the appointed time and found the cabin door closed. Believing that the wind had blown the door shut, Valu pushed it open and saw Baba inside, engrossed in his inner work. As Baba looked up, his powerful gaze overwhelmed Valu and her eyes became painfully bloodshot and she was blinded for 3 days. This incident is an example of the power of Meher Baba's seclusion work. From the time it was completed, this cabin became Baba's personal quarters whenever he stayed on the hill. It was here that he last spent a night at Meherabad on December 31st, 1947, after celebrating Mehera's 41st birthday.